Hello! So today, I don't know what we're doing today. We are going places and doing things, seeing people. We are back home for like 30 minutes just for a little snack, and we are going back out again. Marché des 13 desserts, so that's the 13 desserts market, which is a Provençal tradition. Calisson, highly recommend this Calisson. Not necessarily this brand, but yeah. Ma petite maman qui arrive pas à se décider sur les confitures. Bonsoir. So, foie au santon. Do you know what a santon is? And do you have this in your country? I know that they have those in Spain too. That is La Rotonde, which is the main rotonde in this city, and the greatest, and it should have water. It doesn't at the moment. Le Cézanne. So that street is called Le Cours Mirabeau, and that's basically the main street of the city center. It's a little bit like the Champs-Élysées of Aix-en-Provence. There's no water. Okay, so it's just the one going up where there are people inside. There's just one with people. So they are going up there, as you can see it. They are the only one. So that's Émile Zola. So under there, that is Roman ruins. The thing also with fountains everywhere is that the Latin name of Aix-en-Provence was Aix-en-Provence, which was a city of water, of baths.
Aix-en-Provence is the Latin name for Aix-en-Provence, the first Roman city on the territory of present-day France. This city was founded in 122 BC by the Roman consul Caius Sextius Calvinus following an expedition against the oppidum of Entremont, the Salian capital.
Another fountain. This one has water. And another one there. This one is called La Place d'Alberta, Alberta Square.